That is the second settlement for the Chinese people. So the first is the Parian, not existing anymore. And the second one, still created by the Spaniards, that area of the building over there, Angkor Land Building. So that's the area of Chinatown. Considered as the oldest. And maybe you're thinking, what's the difference between those? Why they created separate settlements, but yeah, only Chinese living in those settlements? Do you have any idea why? Huh? Do you have any idea what's the difference between those settlements?
One was for the wealth Chinese, and one was for the culture.
Something like that.
Is it Cantonese Mandarin?
Maybe, but the main difference from those two settlements was the Parian was like a ghetto, unclean, unmanaged, unorganized market or settlement created for the Chinese people in the around here, the Parian de Arceros. While the Chinatown is like a more of organized, cleaner settlement for the Chinese during the Spanish era, and managed by them.